Okay, this is very important. Instagram and TikTok make your brain rotted. Like it's so true that is brain rotted. Like, bro, what? Why does it make a brain rot? Because we all see 6 7 everywhere that we need to delete that number. Like, what? Like, everyone is saying 6 7, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook, everything. Like, who owns this? Have you heard those videos that goes like and subscribe if you love Jesus? But if, and then they said, if you scroll, you don't love him. Like, Jesus didn't even say to like and share and subscribe to if you see love him in the Bible. Like, who made that video that goes like that? Like, all people just do this. Like and subscribe if you love Jesus. Like Jesus didn't even say in the Bible to like and subscribe. So don't subscribe and like. They just want subscribers and more likes and more views.